on today? I got my roller skates on, doubles. You ready to ride? Cause we got some rides coming in here. We call it the micro cap rides. Everything is like pumping and dumping, baby. Pumping and dumping time. Let's get into it, baby. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money. Emphasis on the money, honey. With the one, the only. We call him the indelible one, DBL NIXX.
In the house.
AKA
The ring.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And the secret weapon. You know what we call her. We call her the bushy-tailed Serengeti specialist. She is constantly ensnarling the next parabolic stonk runner. We call her DBL Moms, a.k.a. the Serengeti specialist. What's up, DBL Moms? Give him a row. Give him a row. There we go. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, would you kind of subscribe to it? I think it's a good idea. I mean, didn't we do a video on BREA yesterday on the YouTube? And it went up 238% this morning. This morning. Yeah. Hashtag no 10% runners, folks. Let's do a share party. Let's get some peoples in here. Let's get some peoples in here. We got NIXX moving doubles. NIXX testing the high of the day. Testing the high of the day. Listen, if you're not following us on X.com, we're monitoring the small cap market from 4 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. in the evening. Who does that?
We do.
Nobody else except us. We do it. Okay. We're getting a test of the high. All right. X.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Go ahead and follow, man. Definitely do it. Definitely. Definitely. Also, Facebook and Instagram at Coach Nick Money.
Coach Nick Money.
TikTok at DBL NIXX. At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, there's a link in the description for our private Discord. We are going to be streaming live right now on social media. You could see that we already have a parabolic runner with NIXX, currently up 373%, 375, 378%.
It started yet, and we already got a banger.
Man, I haven't even done the intro. Come on, folks, let's go ahead and share that stream. Let's get busy. Let's get busy. Let's get some energy in here. Some energy. Energy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Share party. Share party. Y'all, come on now. Come on and share. Share. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So, what was I saying, doubles? What was I saying? We're streaming. I already talked about it. We're streaming live on social media right now. We're going to take it to the private Discord in a little bit. Around 9:25 in the morning, we'll go ahead and start streaming in the Discord. There's a link in the description to give the Discord a try. You get a 4-day trial for $1.99. I mean, it's nothing. It's nothing, though. It's cheap to try, and well worth it. You'll see. We call a lot of bangers in there, a lot of times, and a lot of educational stuff, a lot of explaining. We do a lot of explaining. We show you what we do. You know what I mean? There's no guarantees that you're going to do as good as we do. But we show you what works for us, and hopefully it'll work for you. You know what I mean? You have to put the time in, and hopefully it works for you as well. Because, every person's different. You know how that goes, doubles. It'd be inappropriate to say everything's going to work for you that worked for us. Maybe something you do is going to work for you that doesn't work for us. I mean, that's called being different, yo. That's called being different.
It's called being indelible.
It is indelible. Yeesh. And of course, you'll have early access to all the parabolic runners that we call first in the Discord. Like, for example, we showed you PIXY, right? We started off with PIXY. It went up 232%. All of these stocks right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stocks that we've already called in the pre-market, in the Discord, that went up over 100%. That's just what we do. PIXY 232%, NIXX 300 and whatever it was, 374%, STAF 426%, BREA. We also did a video on this one on YouTube. 238%, UPXI 322, VSME 291, NCPL 226, MTEM 122, NTB L117, and this one over here kind of embarrasses me. SPGC 113%. That's 10, folks. All right? That's 10. That's calling having a team that's monitoring everything. And I'm going to toot my horn because I'm very proud of my squad, y'all.
Yay.
And I'm also very proud of the Indelible Pride. That's you folks out there. Thank you so much for being a part of the show.
Yay.
Yeah, so let's see what's going on over here. We're looking at NIXX.
NIXX.
And it's trying to form a bottom tail. NIXX has been quite choppy. The whole day has been very, very, how should I put it? Choppy, right?
Yay.
We've seen a lot of pumping and a lot of dumping. But right now, it looks like NIXX is trying to spread its wings, so to speak. Spread its wings. It's a 3 million float stock with 28 million in shares. NIXX issued a shareholder update for strategic focus and acquisition. That's the news. And it's up 377%, and it's trying to form a bottom tail. We're going to watch it because right now, this one is the leading gainer. Right now. For now. You know what I mean? Because we've had a bunch of them pump, and then dump, right? So, yeah. So we're going to keep an eye on this one. There's also another one that I want to check out real quick. TVGN. It's coiling. TVGN is coiling. It's coiling. TVGN. But we're going to go back to NIXX, because it's going up. This one's up only 18%. Back to NIXX. All right, this one, 385%. I'm going to have a little I'm not having espresso ice today.
You're having coffee.
No, I'm having coffee. Coffee with milk hot. You know why? Because it's a little chilly this morning. It's like 79 degrees outside. And my blood thinned out since I've been down in Florida. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
it's a little chilly. Little
trivia.
A little bit.
When you come down to Florida, or when you come down to any warmer area and you've been there for a while, your blood thins out. Whereas if you're in a colder area, it thickens. So you get colder easier when you're in Florida.
Oh, facts. Absolute facts. So Ali has a couple of stocks he wants us to check out. Let's go check them out. Brea. Let's see what's going on with that. So that one moved early in the morning. You could see that right over here. So this was after hours yesterday. It had a head and shoulders. It pulled down. It spiked again this morning. It had a nice run this morning. Nice, 238%. Let's zoom in. But after that, it's been selling off pretty much straight through. And right now it's breaking to the downside. So it needs to break this downtrend. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated. It's got to break this trend right here and start moving up, and we got to see this 9 EMA start to turn upward, right? Otherwise, you know, it's not looking too healthy. It is in the oversold area of the RSI, so volume could bring it back up. So we'll see what happens with this. We got it on a watch list. It has moved. A lot of these stocks have done some wicked stuff where they've pumped, they dumped, and then they came back up again. But I don't like when stuff goes down, you know, over 100%. It was up 238%, and now it's up only 106%. So, like that, you know? Meh. Ali wants CETX. Let's check it out. Not a lot of volume on it. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Let's zoom in. Looks a little choppy, kind of suggesting lack of volume. This is the 5 minute. Let's take a look at it on the 1 minute doubles. We're looking at it on 1 minute. It needs volume. It needs volume, I tell you. It needs volume. CETX, 44-cent stock, currently down about 3.5%. 3.5%. The float is low. I like the float. 272,000 shares. Very, very low. Volume is not bad. 1 million. If it had more volume, it would be better. I mean, if more volume comes in, maybe. But right now, it looks a little bearish. If I cycle this area right over here, doubles. This area right here. See, right there. See that?
I see it.
That looks like it could be a shoulder, a head, shoulder. So a head and shoulders pattern, which would be a bearish pattern. Hopefully that's not the case. It is above VWAP. So we'll see what happens with it. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go to Buru. Ali wants Buru. All right, so we got some levels already drawn for Buru. It looks like it does not have a lot of volume going on. This is pretty pathetic as far as volume is concerned. It's below VWAP. It moved yesterday on relatively, like, I don't think there was any news. It was just moving, and then it crashed and burned. It's a 78-cent stock. It's currently up about 7%. The float's low, 1.4 million. That's low, real low. But the volume's only 1.2 million. So, without volume, I mean, I don't know. Bubbles. I mean, it needs volume. It needs volume, I tell you. TVGN is moving, by the way. Let's see what it's doing. TVGN. It's reaching this level over here, which is a resistance area, $1.30. Let's go put a level over there. Let's go and get that graffiti pencil activated. Right here, $1.30 is a level. It's currently up 23%. Tevagen investors congratulate on prestigious recognition of pioneering biopharma business model, breakthrough innovations, building assets estimated to exceed $10 billion. Float, 13 million, so it's a heavier float. Volume, just 2 million. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, doubles. We're going to check it out. We'll check it out. Maybe not. You know, like that. It's the prerogative, you know, doubles. The old prerogative, you know what I mean? The old prerogativo. Yeah. I don't know. Like that. I don't know. All right, let's go check out some other tickeroons. Hold on. What do I want to look at? Let me add them. Oh, Ryan wants TRNR. TRNR. Let's see. My pleasure, Ali. TRNR. It's at 52-week low. Okay, well, I can see that. Very low volume on it.
Ryan said it's looking meh.
It's looking meh. Let's see what the story is, though, because there's always a story with these stonks. You know what I mean? TRNR down like 1/8%. It's just barely down. It's a 12-cent stock. I'm wondering if it's delisting. You know, that's always a concern when you get that cheap. You know, that cheaperoonie type of thing. Let's see. October 10th. Wins new customer for CLMBR with fast-growing 60-location Choose Fitness, CHUZE. I don't know what that means. I have no clue. Float's low, 3 million. I like that. Volume's even lower, though. 123,000 shares. So it needs volume, my friend. It needs volume. It's meh right now. I'll have to say meh. Like that. Folks, TVGN is moving. TVGN moving. It's pumping. Go ahead. I'm waiting. It's pumping. Bump. Ing.
He's doing the ancient ritual.
It's like I'm kind of stuck. It's kind of like a record that's scratched.
Yeah. Or like you're doing some sort of messed up ritual.
What trash? What's going on over here? 28%. Doubles. Tell this thing to move. 28%.
Move up.
29%. Now. Come on now. Come on. You got some weird title over here. 31%. It's pumping. We got some resistance coming up over here, folks. Over here at $1.42. $1.42. Resistance is futile. Borg, 7 of 9. The Borg moving ever so slightly, 32%. DBL moms, what's the float on TVGN? TVGN. It's a low floater. No, it's not a low floater. It's a 13 mil. Yeah, the volume is kind of low. I don't know. UAVS. This is a stock that had a recent UVAS had a recent reverse split. No, I did it wrong. What is it? UAVS. Recent reverse split. Kind of curling. We'll see. We'll see what happened. with it. We'll see. TVGN still moving. We'll go back to it. TVGN. Everything's been popping and dropping. This is the high of the day. Look at it. Look. 38%. Why am I getting excited about 38%? I'm starting to sound like the Scrubs, yo. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Pixie curling. Pixie's in the house, y'all. Oh, it curled. You look so sexy with those curves, Pixie. Come on now. Come on, show me what you got. 226%. All right, let's create some levels, doubles. Let's put it on the 5-minute.
5 minutes.
Oh, you know it's getting dirty, down and dirty when we put it on the 5-minute. Right there's a level. Right over there's another level. It's reaching resistance, which is around $18.50. Let's go, baby. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get some peoples in here. We had a nice crowd yesterday. A little over 400 people in the evening. Do y'all like the evening show? Have y'all seen the evening show? What do we call it, Doubles? Do you remember? After hours
movers.
After hour movers, yeah. That's like the evening version of this show, kind of, sort of. But it's a little different because it's an after hours. I don't know. After hours has been hot, yo.
It has been hot.
I mean, 2 days ago, there was like 6 parabolic runners. One of them ran 2,300. That was drug, right? And then SPEC ran 1,226%. All of that was on the stream, right?
I mean,
yeah, you guys got to set the notifications, yo. Yeah.
You gotta join the Discord.
That too. They should join the Discord because the Discord gets all that stuff soon. But at the very least, set those notifications on Twitter, X.com, Facebook, YouTube.
I mean, we called 10 baggers today.
That is a fact.
Yesterday
10.
we called another 10. 11.
11 yesterday.
11
But right now it's not even regular hours and we were already up to 10.
Yeah, and then then the day before on the 15th it was 10.
That's right. So
Again.
that's 31 in 3 days, my dear ladies and gentlemen. That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah.
Banger after banger after banger.
Bangernomics, baby. It's all about the bangers, baby. If you ain't calling the bangers, it don't mean nothing. I mean, I could make believe I look at a stock and it goes up 5%. Oh, look, I called it. It went up 5%. You guys wouldn't appreciate that. Come on. You got folks saying, oh no, it's more important that I give you one stock that goes up 5-10%. How could that be? How could that be? It don't make no sense. It don't make sense. It don't even make money.
Oh, no.
It don't make money.
Make dollars.
The early bird gets the cash, Doubles.
Make it make sense. Actually, as a matter of fact, make it make dollars.
Dollars, baby. Benjis. It's all about the Benjis. And don't be afraid to be happy about money. Money is good for you.
Money is good. It's good for the soul.
It's good for you.
Good for the stomach.
You could do good things for people. You could do good things for yourself. You could do good things for your family.
Yes.
What's wrong with that? Nothing. Never feel bad about money. You know what? When I was a young boy, I didn't have no money. I used to walk up the mountain. What did I do? Doubles.
Uphill, both ways, 26 hours a day on one foot. The other foot was starting a business. He had to fight tigers uphill. He had to uppercut the tigers. Now they do his taxes.
All right, this is all true stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just saying.
Tigers doing taxes.
Yeah, Tigers doing taxes. Yeah.
You had to fight the bears.
The Bears. We're all about the Bulls, baby. All right, what do we got here? We got something running or what? Oh, come on. NIXX is moving now. NIXX.
Yes.
It's PIXY and then NIXX.
What's up? What happened?
No, NIXX is not moving. DBL moms.
What you mean I'm not moving? I'm right
No, I mean it's curling, but look, it dropped too much. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it.
What do you mean I dropped? I'm not a stock.
What am I looking at? NIXX, NIXX.
NIXX, the stock.
What's this? Let's see what the story is. NIXX issues shareholder update for strategic focus and acquisition. That was the story. All right. It was up $11, but now it's only up around $8.60. That's quite a drop. I don't know. You got to prove your love to me, yo. NIXX, I don't know. Back to PIXY.
I thought you were calling.
PIXY. Here we go again. It's a PIXY. It's a PIXY. It's a top tail. We don't like the top tail. It's overextended. The RSI is overextended on the 5 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay, it's a double top. It is clearly a double top on the 1 minute. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. We don't like double tops. This is a potential issue. We don't like it. We don't like it. And we can see if we zoom in, it is starting to pull back. It needs to break these levels right around here between 1850-ish and 1875 with authority, and then certainly if it can break the 1950 mark, that would be even better. So we'll keep an eye on you, Pixie, but you're looking kind of bearish over here. Kind of bearish, you know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. Meh. I don't know. Looks like it wants to do a flusheroo doubles. I don't know. It's below VWAP. I don't know. Double top. I don't know. I don't know. TVGN. Moving. TVGN 43%, 44%. This is gonna like do a little bit of the tarantella, you know, the old tarantula. It's gonna move kind of weird, you know, like a little weird. 50%. We're gonna watch it as it crawls its way up. You know, that's what spiders do, no?
Yeah.
Or do they like shoot the webs and what do they do? Moms, tell me.
They shoot the webs.
They shoot the webs, right? A tarantula is a spider, no?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
It is a spider, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
a
And you
very
know
big
the tarantella.
That's
That's like Italian for
Yeah.
tarantula. Did you know that? So the dance is supposed to look like a tarantula.
Oh, is that
Did
what
you
it
know
is?
that? Oh yeah.
guess so.
Oh yeah, and it's pumping. It's pumping. TVGN. It's doing the tarantella. 55%, folks. We're gonna just watch it right now because it's the only one that's really moving. It's moving ever so slightly. It's super extended at 60%.
60%.
And it's moving. It's moving.
Hello.
It's
Frog.
I'm not gonna say it's pumping. It's pumping. I'm just saying it's gonna move. It's moving. Frog's in the house. What's up? Yo, Frog.
Yay.
Oh, it's
Ryan
CVS.
says-
What's up?
Ryan says, what about JOB?
JOB. I don't want to have a JOB.
We already have a JOB.
Let's see. We'll switch over for it real quick. If there is there a ticket? Is there a ticket JOB?
Yeah, we got one already.
Oh no. Forget about it. It don't have a job. Forget about it. Forget about it. TVGN.
No.
TVGN pumping and pumping. 68%. Can we get 68? I owe you one. Shh. Put it down. Put it down, DBL mom. 71. I'm talking about the percentage gain. Come on. Man, this is grinding up. 71%. It just went down to 69 doubles. Ow. DBL moms. Enough, my little tigress. My little lioness. Come on. You need to chill. Chill right now. Okay, so it's pulling back. All right, so we got what? 72 out of it? 72%. 71%. TVGN, 71%. I'm going to write it down, doubles. Because there's like too many tickers moving today, so I'm going to just write it down. By the way, folks, ladies and gentlemen, you see that big red sign in the lower left corner? This is not stock or financial advice. We're not stock or financial advisors. This is just a show. So if you put stupid comments, you're going to get stupid replies, right? But if you're nice, we're nice, you know? Most of you are nice and we love you very much, but every now and then we get cretins, and we don't tolerate cretins. Yeah, we don't tolerate that. So don't be not nice. Be nice. Be nice. Come on. Let's have fun. Let's do it. Frog says job is laying down on the job. Yeah. Facts, man. $1.90 on TVGN. This thing is like a slow mover. TVGen investor congratulates on prestigious recognition of pioneering by farmer, business model, breakthrough innovation, blah, 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 blah. The issue with it is it's a 13 million float. That's the reason why it's moving so slowly, and the volume is low at 8 million. But I will say that the volume kind of came in. You know what I mean? Doubles. It came in a little bit. Folks, we're at 158 people watching. Let's get it to 200. Come on now. Let's get a little sharing going on. A little sharing. Let's get the community even bigger. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna have some coffee. But I'm so used to saying I'm gonna have some espresso ice.
Espresso.
But it's chilly, man. It's like 79 degrees, yo. It's under 80. Communism. Communism, I tell you.
Oh.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. I got my long johns on. The long johns with the little pouch in the back that you pop open when you. Never mind. I don't wear long johns. Just kidding.
Where's jeans?
Yo, what did you put in my coffee, DBL Moms? What did you do? Oh. DBL Moms, come on. I'm acting funny here. I'm acting funny. You spiked it a little bit. You put. Did you make it nice and sweet? Did you put your finger in it for me? Yeah, you're so sweet, like my little lioness. Can you Ralph me? Come on. Oh wow, that's so schmexy. Nice. Oh nice. She's so nice. Okay, we need this to start moving. Otherwise, I have to find another stock to talk about.
Yeah.
Listen, I should start talking behind its back. It's down to 55%. The TV channel.
Right, yeah.
Should I start talking bad about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. What are you doing over here?
What are we doing?
What is this? What is this nonsense?
What have they
See,
done for me lately
this is the problem, Doubles,
Yeah,
with these thick floats. This is the problem.
The two C's.
You're too thick. THICC. Thick. I tell you. All right. Let's see if there's something else moving. Let's see. What can we look at? Doubles. I'm looking.
Yes.
I'm checking. Let's go back to NIXX.
NIXX.
Yo, this stock was like so freaking choppy in the morning. Holy Toledo. So this was yesterday, last evening. Look at this. Let's zoom in. Check this out. Look at this drop right over here. This was after hours, right? So it moved up, right?
Yes.
But look at this. It broke its neck. Moved up, broke its neck. Moved up, broke its neck. Moved up. You get the point.
Yeah.
You get the point.
Yes.
You get the point, right? And now look. It moved up and moved up. Broke its neck, and it looks like it wants to break its neck again. Poor thing needs a collar.
Needs a collar.
Maybe it needs to call like a lawyer
Yes.
on a contingency fee. One third.
One-third.
They need to sue the car that hit them.
Oh.
You got hit by a car. NIXX, what happened to you? You got hit by a car. All right. I don't like this. Let's find something else. STAF was moving earlier in the morning. Let's check it out. That was like a weird one, you know? One of the folks in our community called this stock like a week or two ago.
Oh.
You know, and STAF today went up 426%. We called it in the morning, and we called it as a early watch list yesterday for today, before it ran 426% in the Discord. Ladies and gentlemen, the link is in the description. $1.99 for 4 days trial. Get early access to all of the calls, all the alerts. Get access to the private live streaming, and of course all the support that's provided, and all the fabulous content. Go ahead and click the link. Click it good. Click it. You got to click it. Da 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 da. You must click it. Da 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 da. Click it good. All right. Anyway, this is not moving right now. It is curling. It's below VWAP. There was a stock that ran. I actually traded it, dude, and I thought I was going to lose money because it started to fall apart. But I got out of it before it fell apart, and I made some money. But it was like part of those stonks this morning that went, completely parabolic, and then they just completely collapsed. Hold on. Click that one right there. Click it. What does it say? They're filing this one. Forget about it. Staff is moving. We'll go back to Rhyme later on. It's moving ever so slightly. Yeah, it's I don't know, 234%. I don't know. This went up 426%. So that gives you an idea, a flavor of what's been going on with the market, right, Doubles? It's been like I don't know. Today it's been like insane. The stock starts running really, really fast, and then all of a sudden it falls off a cliff, and like within 30 seconds there's another one. And then another one. And then another one. And another one. And another one. Another one. Okay, what's going on here? Too expensive for that one. That one. Show me that one. Scroll down. Oh, no. No. What's going on here? No, that price is too high. Too high. No. No, forget about it. Forget it. Let's see. What else are we looking at? Let's look at. You got a runner for me? Oh, you got a runner. SGD. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. It's pumping 54%. Float 542,000. Volume. Only 93,000. It's pumping. It's pumping. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's top tailing. We don't like those top tails. Come on now. How high did it go?
66.
56%.
66.
66?
Correct.
66 so far, but the top tail, and that's the end of the story. I don't know. Is there news on it?
No news.
Yesterday, 9:30, bullish sentiments high on gold trends as mining operations continue to ramp up.
That's 2 days ago, yeah.
That was 2 days ago. Today's the 17th. Oh, forget about it. There's no news. There's no news. No news. No news. There's no news. No news. No news on that one. No news on that one. Scroll down. Let me see this one. Hold on. ADIO. You know what? I'm gonna put SGD on the side chart because it might keep moving. You know, doubles. It might. You know what I mean? SGD. Like that. Side chart. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. SGD. I'm watching you. ADIO. Oh no. What's going on here? What's the story? Adel Pharmaceuticals receives notice of allowance for U.S. patent covering expanded genotype combination identified using the company's genetic diagnostics for addiction treatment. 9 o'clock news in the morning. It's -5 right now. The float is 5.4 million. Volume 141,000. Nobody's paying attention to this poor little Dickens over here. Poor thing. I'll put you on a side chat. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Let's go back to SGD. In the house. Where are you? Come on. I hate when I type and I'm like not in the box, you know? You gotta get in the box and type it. All right. It's got a top tail. This is a 1 minute chart. I don't know. It's trying. It's pumping. Oh. Would we say that there's resistance at $5? Doubles, my dear doubles.
Yes.
Dear doubles, DD. Dear doubles. Let's go. Oh, we got some cheese from Frog. ADIL equals smelly cheese, very low volume. Very low volume. He had a little bit of a typo. Okay, I got you. It was a little smelly cheese, but I put it on the side chart just because, you know, I mean, you just never know. Sometimes these things have a mind of their own. They're like petulant little children. Yes. Is that a word? Petulant? I don't even know if that's a word. It sounds good, though. SGD, 75%. Oh, we got a new high. It's pumping. Top tail, 75%. Oh, no. 2 top tails. No. What is wrong with you? Come on. I mean, this is what NIXX did, and NIXX ended up like going absolutely ballistic. I mean, NIXX was even worse. It was way worse than this, and it went up 338%. So who knows? I don't know. It doesn't even have news to stock, right? No news. Just the low float, 542,000. This is like a continuation from yesterday. All the low floaters that went absolutely bonkers yesterday. You remember that, doubles? Yeah, they went bonkers. This is a continue. I tell you what, I'll take this all day though, compared to like the way it used to be a couple of years ago, where nothing was moving. We'd sit in front of these screens for hours on end, and nothing was moving. People, I'm telling you, nothing. You know, we started to watch the cockroaches race in the hallway. We had money on the roaches. You had the red one. I had the brown one.
Thanks. And the red one was faster, I'll tell you what.
That's a fact. We called the red one Red Fast. Yeah. All right. But now we have all of these stocks that are bumping and dumping, a lot of them. So that's, you know, it's kind of exciting a little bit, you know. How about VSME? Let's check it out. Let's go to VSME. Let's check it out. It's curling. I don't know. Gotta do better than that. Got you on the side chart. I got you on the side chart. Don't worry about it. I'll keep an eye on you. I'll pay attention to you a little bit. How about Mullen? Mullen. Now, there's a quality stock for sure. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. Okay. All right. I don't know. I don't know. I'm being facetious. BREA.
BREA.
Oh, the size.
MTM.
MTM.
Come on, you gotta give me something. Give me something to work with here. Give me some material. Anything will do. Come on. What's going on? I wonder what the overall market's doing. Let's see what SPY's doing. SPY, how you doing? You all right?
How you doing? Oh.
Standard & Poor's, baby. Standard & Poor's 500 ETF. It's going up. Look at this. Almost $600. Look at that. Wow, that's insanity. Let's see what it looks like for the entire year. Holy moly. Look at that. Holy moly. Let's go back 5 years. Look at that. Overall, going up. Right? These were rough years right here. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
This period right here. 2021, 2022, 23, part of 23. But now look at these numbers. $585 for the ETF. Standard & Poor's. SPY, I tell you. Anyway, that's the large cap. VSME, curling, ever so slightly. It's moving towards the 200 EMA with a little bit of volume, so that's going to be resistance. Let's put a level right there. That's going to be resistance right there at just below $4 on this one. I don't know, folks. I don't know. Are you loving it? I'm not loving it. I'm not. We're still looking for something that's worthwhile. I don't know. DBL Moms, what else you got? Go into the Serengeti. Come on, honey. Take care of business. Go ahead. You know you could cook. I'll give you the pan. Go and whack the slunk in the head. Bring it in, will you?
Bring it in.
Bring it in. Come on. Jump on it. Pounce on it. Do whatever you got to do. Get it in here. Hurry up. Let's cook it. Come on. We got to cook a really good runner. The people are waiting. Shh. I don't want the folks to know. Come on. I need you to go out there and get something really hot for them, you know? I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So, you know? It's good that I entertain myself. I got to be honest with you. I really do. You know, when there's lulls like this, I have to entertain myself, and hopefully it's entertaining everybody else, too. UPXI ran this morning, and it kind of did it did a little bit of a pump and dump, not a little bit. UPXI.
Oopsie.
Yeah, see, the old pump and dump. UPXI went up. Ready for this, doubles? 322%. But
Damn.
I want to show this to the folks because it's so crazy today. It's so dangerous, right? Like if you're sitting in these stonks, you could get your teeth knocked out. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this. It shoots up.
Yes.
And let's say you're chasing it, right?
Yes.
Big major reversal. Boom.
Boom right there.
Then it shoots up again. The little doji shoots up again, and then it breaks its neck. Look at that.
Oof.
Huh? That's scary.
That's
That's why I scalp Nikki. DBL NIXX. That's why I scalp, because I don't trust these stonks. DBL Moms, you know I don't trust them, right?
Right.
But I sweet talk them if they're going up high. You know, I sweet talk them because I want the indelible pride to be able to see really good parabolic runners. So, you know, I make believe I'm friends with these stocks, you know. I'm like, hey, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, you know? So, like, if I see a stock that might have some potential, I'll go up to the stock and I'll be like, hey, you look good. You look kind of thin lately with your float. Yeah, your float looks kind of thin. Yeah, you're looking good. Hey, have you been working out? I see you got more volume lately, huh?
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, you look great. Yeah. What gym are you going to? Yeah. You know, like that. You curl. If it starts curling, wow, those biceps, huh?
Oh.
You know, all this stuff. It's psychology, doubles. Psychology. You gotta know. You gotta know how to talk to them. Let's take a look at TVGN. Let's see if it wants to do a little curl. Breaking the VWAPA. Is it gonna break the VWAPA? It needs a volume, baby. It needs volume. Let's zoom in a little bit. Zoom in the room. Could it be doing A descending wedge bull reversal. Let's see. Let's get the graffiti pencil out. Could it be doing one of these joints right over here?
Yeah.
And one of these joints right over here?
Yeah.
Could it be a descending wedge? Could we get a little bit of a traction and move upward? I don't know. We got VWAP right here. That's a concern. VWAP right here. So you got significant resistance at around $1.50-ish, more or less. It's in a channel, Doubles. It's in a channel.
Time.
It's in a channel. All right, TVGN, the news. The news is Tevagen investors congratulate on prestigious recognition of pioneering biopharma business. I sound like a radio announcer, no? A little bit. Model, breakthrough, innovations, building assets estimated to exceed $10 billion. So that's 7:54 in the morning. Currently up 41%. The float is heavy. That's the issue. 13 million, almost 14 million. Volume has been consistently going up though. 14 million.
14 million.
It was up what? 72% DBL moms. 80, but now it's up only 40%. So it gave back quite a bit. Looks like a potential descending wedge. It's got some news. It doesn't have a lot of volume. It's a little thick, so it's like a come see, come saw type of thing. You know, it's got to prove itself. It's got to prove itself. I don't know. I'm not convinced right now. It needs to hold. It needs to hold this level and break through the VWAP and start moving up above this trend line. What do you think, Doubles?
Yay.
Can we get a little bit of a push, a pump, a pump? Is it pumping? Is it? It's not going to pump because, you know, it is a thick
with two
stonk.
C's.
Thick stonk. But right now, nothing else is really moving, so we're gonna keep an eye on it. Yeah. Yeah. Frog says, "Is this thing on?" I'm not sure what you're talking about, Frog. What thing are you talking about? What are you talking about? I don't know.
Mic's working.
The mic's not working?
No, the mic is working.
I don't think he's talking about the mic though. I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe it's got to be one of the stonks. You know, VSME is coiling. It's coiling. Will it move towards VWAP? I don't know. Let's check it out. This one's moving too slow. It's kind of boring. Let's go to VSME.
VSME.
Let's see. Put the S twice. Oh, sorry, Charlie. It curled. Doubles. It curled. Low volume. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute Doubles.
5 minutes.
5 minutos. It looks like it's curling. Yeah, shit. It looks like it broke a downtrend. Okay, we do a little downtrend action over here. Let's get this line right here and go over here. It seems to have broken the downtrend. VSME. You're moving too slow. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you. Yeah, here's another one that's moving slow. Back to TVGN. But it is curling ever so slightly.
Yes.
We're looking at it on the 5-minute.
5 minutes.
You got resistance right over here.
Yes.
Wait, come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Resistance over here. Resistance over there. Everywhere resistance. Old McDonald had resistance. E-I-E-I-O.
Oh.
Come on. Go up. Let's put it on the 1 minute so it looks like it's actually moving, Doubles. Let's go. 1 minute. 1 minute. Still maintaining the trend. Descending wedge. Ladies and gentlemen, a descending wedge. Holy mackerel. They only grow in South Africa.
South Africa.
the descending wedge. It's a rarity to see it. No, it's not. Descending wedges are pretty common. Bull reversals. It's pushing.
Yay.
It's not pumping and pumping. It's too thick to pump and pump. TVGN. Curling ever so slightly. Up 55%. It was up 80%. The float is really heavy on this one. Almost 14 million. It's got 15 million worth of volume though. I mean, that's an improvement, right? Peggy with news. Peggy. We're gonna come back to TVGN. Hold on. Peggy. Oh, Peggy. Oh, Peggy. Back to TVGN. TVGN in the house at resistance. See, this is what happens when you have a thick float, but not a bad descending wedge. I mean, it broke out. You know what I mean? It gave us a little something. Nothing too major. You know.
Crazy.
All right. Little side shot.
Little side chart.
Click that one right there. Give me that one right there. Right there. Click it. Click it good. How about... No, the float's heavy on that one. I don't like the float. I don't like it. 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 No, no, I don't like it. No, 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 no. Don't like it. I don't like it. All right, let's see. What else? What other one? Doubles. What other one? Let's see. Let's see. We're still looking. We're still looking, folks. You know, I don't got much to work with right now. A lot of these stocks are dumping. Let's go to SGD. I'll show you how things have been going this morning. Look at this. Look at this dump. Look at this dump. Look at this. Look at this. Looker. Right? You know, I don't know how people sit in stocks for hours on end when the market's like this. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's too much heartache for me. I get like a palpitation. You know, my heart palpitates. You know, I don't like when things go down like that. No. I'm not into roller coasters. You like roller coasters? I don't like them.
I've been on a couple.
Yeah, I don't like them.
I went on the ones that go spinny and upside down.
What's that roller coaster in Epcot called? Magic Kingdom or something like that?
Something like that.
Magic Mountain?
I don't know.
Magic Mike? I don't know. Something like that. I don't know.
No.
Something magic. Magic. I don't know. Magic.
Magic Mountain.
What is it?
I think it's Magic Mountain.
Magic Mountain?
I don't know.
I was in that thing. It was like pitch dark, and you're like doing loop-de-loops. I got nauseous a little bit, you know.
Yeah,
I needed.
was
I got a story. I got a story.
Oh.
I got a story. You guys, do you want a story, or you want me to show you some
Story time.
stocks? Tell me in the chat. If you want a story, say story. All right. If you want me to tell you a story, I'll tell you a story. I'll tell you a story about a cruise. How about that? All right. I'll tell you a story about a cruise. Yeah.
It's a
good
Gilligan story.
Oh, come on! You're blowing up my spot, Lulu. Come on, you're blowing up my spot, my little lioness.
I'm sorry, guys.
You're wrecking things. I mean, you know, you're like I don't know. You're like a party pooper. I don't know. I'm gonna stick to the stocks now. You know, I'm gonna just stick to the stocks because you're wrecking everything. I'm sorry, but you know, you're just upsetting me. Staff. Let's go to staff. STAF. Let's go to staff. It's doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Back to TVGN. Curling ever so slightly. Resistance. Right over here is the resistance level. Right over there, resistance level. I don't know. Doubles, could it be like a cup and handle?
Yeesh.
Could it be a cup and handle? Right?
Maybe.
Right, so it did a descending wedge. It went up. Right, so now it formed like a cup and a handle.
Maybe.
A cup and a handle. And it's moving laterally. It needs volume to keep moving. I don't know. None of these stocks are really like turning me on, doubles. No, not really.
No.
All right, so you know what we're going to do? We're going to head to the Discord, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue live streaming. Hopefully we'll get some more parabolic runners like we had earlier in the morning. We've had about, 10, 11, 100% plus baggers so far this morning since we started at 4 o'clock in the morning in the Discord. And, of course, you've seen a couple of them right here live on the live stream. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We did a nice little video for BREA, and, of course, this morning it ran 238% after that. So go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I think it would be a good idea. If more y'all folks subscribe, that would be terrific. And set the notifications. You know, Doubles knows the better way of doing it. What are you supposed to do when you do the YouTube?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Sharing is so important.
Yay.
We're probably going to do another show later on in the day, you know? We want to see how things go, all right? We'll set the notifications out for you. You know what I mean? And, of course, please follow us on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Money. Content all day long. We start at 4:30 a.m. in the morning all the way to 8 p.m. in the evening. Who does that? Nobody except us, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, for the indelible pride. That's you. That's you, baby. We love y'all. Yeah. Rawr. Facebook and Instagram at Coach Nick Money.
At Coaching Money.
Twitch at Coach Nick Money.
Coaching Money.
TikTok at DBL NIXX.
DBL NIXX.
At DBL NICKS. And of course, the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And if you want to come and join us in the Discord for a 4-day trial, it's $1.99. In the linked, what is it? It's in a pinned comment.
Pinned comments.
And in the description, you can find a link to do that 4-day trial for $1.99. We call a lot of bangers in there. A lot of times. I'm just saying. I don't want to brag or anything, and we're going to be live streaming shortly in the private Discord. Okay, make a ton of money, a lot of money,
Be greenable.
and be greenable, because I am Coach Nick Money with the one and only DBL NIXX in the house, a.k.a.
The Rainmaker.
with a degree in Bangernomics.
From Big Bang College, BBC.
I got a Bangernomics degree, too, from Bang U University.
BUU.
B-U. You?
Boo.
B-U-U. Boo.
It's
Hey, it's Halloween, right? Or the 4th of July or something like that. I don't know. It's one of those things. Let's not forget the secret weapon, folks. We cannot forget the Serengeti specialist with the bushiest tail in the world. She is a bushy tail Serengeti specialist. She is the one that ensnarls all the parabolic stonks for us. It's the one. It's the only DBL Moms.